Today's video is in collaboration with Ana Luisa. If you are not already familiar with Ana Luisa, they are a sustainable company that makes beautiful, timeless jewelry. I really love that their pieces are great quality and can withstand everyday use. Today I'm going to be showing you guys these 4 beautiful pieces of jewelry that I got from Ana Luisa. I really love that all of my jewelry pieces come in these cotton jewelry pouches, so this is a great way to store your jewelry when it comes to traveling or just keeping things organized. And for the first piece of jewelry, I selected the Paris gold hoop earrings. These are very dainty and cute for everyday wear. I really am obsessed with little tiny hoops. It's just became my new thing when it comes to like everyday minimal jewelry. So I really love these. These earrings are super fun. These are the Asher two-toned hoop earrings, and they are also very tiny and dainty. I really am enjoying mixed metals right now, so just the play on the gold and the silver is just really fun to be able to have that, so that when you're accessorizing it with different things, it can match with many different outfits. And I just really thought that they were super duper cute, and I cannot wait to wear these. Alright, so here we have the Arlo gold bracelet, and I really am obsessed with this because right now I am really into stacking my bracelets and kind of creating like this little fun look there with the arm candy, and I thought that this would be a great addition to my collection here. Very beautiful, very great quality. I love that each piece comes engraved with the brand's logo, and I feel like it's just a very minimal touch on showing the branding on the jewelry. Lastly, I got the Michael Bold bracelet. It is very beautiful. It's a gold chain bracelet, and I thought this would be gorgeous to stack with the Arlo bracelet, so I cannot wait to pair these together. And as you can see here, Ana Luisa pays attention to detail with the engravings on their jewelry, and I really do just love that personalization. Ana Luisa is the perfect gift for the holidays, and they are actually having a sale right now, so I would recommend checking out their website if you're interested in shopping for your loved ones this holiday season. You can save a lot of money there by using my discount code that I'll put down in the description box, but make sure you check it out because this jewelry is the best. Like, look at this gorgeous bracelet. Like, this is fabulous, and I'm so excited to wear this and stack it with all of my other cute little Ana Luisa bracelets. Guys, look at these 2 bracelets put together. It's just so stunning and so minimal and classy. I really am obsessed with this set. I wanted to show you guys some of my older pieces that I have from Ana Luisa. Like, I've had this jewelry for over a year. It hasn't tarnished. It's just still in impeccable shape. Ana Luisa is guaranteed the best gift you will find. Go treat your loved ones this season and use my code ROBINB20 for 20% off.